Imagine waking up to find your home or business fully secured, every corner monitored, and every entry point covered. How many cameras would it take to achieve that peace of mind? First, identify the key areas you need to monitor. Think about all the entry points like front and back doors, garage doors, and side entrances. Don't forget the common areas inside your home or business. Hallways, living rooms, and spaces with valuable assets should be under surveillance. The outdoor perimeter is just as crucial. Cover your driveway, backyard, and any blind spots to ensure comprehensive security. The size of your property plays a significant role. For small homes, 3 to 4 cameras might be enough, but medium homes may need 6 to 8 cameras, and larger properties could require 10 or more. Different types of cameras serve different purposes. Dome cameras offer wide-angle coverage, bullet cameras focus on entry points, and PTZ cameras provide flexible monitoring. Consider the field of view of each camera. A wide FOV can cover larger areas, but it might compromise the level of detail captured. Plan for future expansion. Choose a recorder with more channels than the number of cameras you initially install, so you can easily add more cameras later. Need help with planning? At SecureView Security Cameras, we offer free consultations to help you determine the ideal number of cameras for your security needs. Secure your peace of mind today. Contact SecureView Security Cameras and start building your perfect surveillance system. Your safety is our priority.